What if a premium feeling pair of earbuds didn't cost a fortune, yet still packed active noise cancellation, improved calls, and all-day battery life? Meet the Galaxy Buds 3 FE, Samsung's latest fan edition that's shaking up the wireless audio market. Last year, Samsung transformed its Galaxy Buds lineup with the Galaxy Buds 3 and 3 Pro. This year, the company's expanding the family with a more affordable option. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE. Priced at $150, it blends premium features with a budget-friendly approach, making it an enticing choice for Galaxy phone owners. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE sports Samsung's sleek blade design, similar to the Galaxy Buds 3, but features the ear tip fit of the 3 Pro. Onboard controls are conveniently placed along the stem for playback and volume adjustments. The result? A familiar look with a comfortable, secure fit, perfect for long listening sessions or workouts. Samsung has relocated the microphones closer to your mouth, ensuring clearer calls even in noisy environments. Audio performance has also been upgraded with larger speakers, delivering deep bass and crisp treble. With enhanced ANC and noise reduction technology, your voice is isolated and distractions fade away, whether you're on a call or immersed in your favorite playlist. Battery life is impressive for this price point. With ANC off, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE lasts up to 8.5 hours per charge. With the charging case, that total jumps to 30 hours, 90 minutes longer than the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. With ANC enabled, it offers 6 hours per charge, or 24 hours total with the case. The earbuds feature IP54 water resistance, meaning they can withstand splashes and light rain, though not full immersion. While this is slightly lower than the IP57 rating of the Galaxy Buds 3 and 3 Pro, it's still more than enough for everyday use and workouts. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE arrive on September 4th in black and gray, combining stylish design, enhanced audio, and strong battery life at an accessible price. For anyone looking to upgrade their earbuds without breaking the bank, this new fan edition could be the perfect fit. Are you ready to experience Samsung's latest earbuds? Hit the link in the description to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on tech releases, reviews, and comparisons. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE might just redefine what you expect from a $150 pair of earbuds. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.